Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to find out the value of x from this expression. There is two question is given, this one and this one. This type of questions is already came in RRB, that is railway, and NTPC RRB in that is banking, and NTPC in the railway 2024. I have taken these questions from their question paper, right? So check in the first questions, first expression, square root of x plus under square root of x plus under square root of x plus under square root of x, which is up to infinity, and its value is given, it is equal to 8. From these expressions you have to find out the value of x. Now this is a multiple choice questions. These are options A, B, C, D as given below. So you have to find out the correct answer from there. So that I'll show you the trick so that it will be very easy and come with a very comfortably we can find out the solutions. So here the value is given 8. So what you have to do, this is a trick. So take this value. What is the value is given? Take this value 8. So in case of plus, you have to multiply the number previous to 8, before to 8. So which number came before 8? That is 7. Yes or no? 7 then 8. So you have to multiply 56. So 56 is the correct answer. See the options, 56 is there? Yes. C is the correct option. Now let us check the second one. This is the second case. The square root of x minus under square root of x minus under square root of x minus under square root of x up to infinity, which is given 9. The value is given 9. So almost both the problems are similar. Here only difference is that there is plus, there is a minus. In case of plus you have to multiply with the previous number. In case of minus you have to multiply with the next number, the number which is given for this expression, the number which is equal to 9 for this expression that is given. So take 9. So in case of minus, what you have to do, you have to multiply with the next after 9. After 9 it came 10, right? 9, then it came 10. So if you multiply 9 minus 10, you will get 90. Now option A is the correct answer. So the difference is that in case of plus, whatever the number is given, you have to multiply with the previous number before which number came, that is 7, you have to multiply. But in the case of minus, you have to multiply the number which is given with that number, you have to multiply the next number of the given number, that is 9, then after that is 10. So if you multiply in 90, so 90 is the correct answer. So I hope I can make it clear to everyone. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching.